Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back again with the Mark V. My friend Damone is so kind and gracious to have a 12-point spark plug socket. It is a very nice and beautiful, cloudy, humid day. And thank God I have this air mover. So nice, cool air going over this right now. We're going to go ahead and pull each one of these spark plugs out. We're going to see which cylinders have different colors, and maybe all of them are the same, maybe all of them are clean, maybe the issue is going to be somewhere else. But this is progress. Just like before, safety second. Oil packs are out. I'm going to go ahead and pull the spark plugs now. Damone, your socket doesn't grab onto the spark plug, bro. But this is something that I learned from the oil field. We take a napkin, strip some of it off, fold it up, probably about, like, let's just say, let's do twice. All right, take our socket, we're gonna force it into our socket right here. Okay. Maybe twice is too much. But use that. Press it onto the spark plug itself. Push down. And out it comes. All 6 spark plugs are out. This looks normal. That looks normal. Normal. Not so normal. It's a little wet. Maybe it's from me accidentally cranking the car when I was just trying to turn on the ignition. That's definitely not normal. That looks like a brand new plug. That's wet. Also probably due to me trying to fire up that car, but it's also caked in like burnt oil. It smells like burnt oil. It's probably where I'm burning oil at, to be honest. The neighbor's dog just dogging around right now. Clover. Number 1 looks okay. Number 2 looks okay. 3 is okay. 4 is okay. 5 is shiny. Doesn't look new. 6 is covered in carbon deposits. This is actually going to be my stopping point for the engine. I'm going to wait for an endoscope to come in. Meanwhile, I'm going to go around to the trunk and just start digging in, man, because like I said earlier, I haven't actually gone into the car and explored this way yet. This is going to be new. All right. Well, a couple of stuff back here. What is this? No way. Is this a fuel pump? No way. Dude, the 540 just got a B58 TU pump. Found this as well. This kind of looks like an air intake duct. And it is. It's the exact same one. You know what's wild is that I've actually been wanting to get the TU pump for that car, but just never pulled through with it because I never really wanted it that bad. But the fact that I just got one for free is amazing. I just hope that's not destroyed. I hope that it's still functional. There's got to be a reason why they got a new pump. But wishful thinking, assuming it still works. What other special goodies do we have back here? Okay, let's go ahead and knock this down. Okay. Simple enough. Subs. Some stupid lights. No reason to have this, to be honest. I had to use both hands to pull that out, but now we have access to the entire trunk. This looks like the splash guard that goes on the bottom of the car. Well, I guess I found out where that cover went. This is horrifying. Absolutely horrifying. You got exposed wires here, exposed wire here. Like, what was the point in doing all of this? I was actually hoping to find the factory coil pack, given the fact that the high pressure fuel pump is there, but it doesn't seem like it. Nope. This battery bay is a god-awful mess. I'm gonna fix all of this. I'm gonna rip out, I'm assuming these are power wires for this. I'm assuming this is power wires for just stupid lights. So none of this is staying at all. Ended up taking a little bit of a break today. Went out for some dinner. Kind of late, lost out on a lot of light. For now though, I'm just gonna go ahead, pull a coil pack off of that car. We're gonna go ahead and swap this coil pack, throw it in, hopefully it'll fire. Hopefully we can get a smoother idle. Coil pack pulled, coil pack installed. 50-second. Spark plugs are now in. Time to do the coil packs. Well, all 6 coil packs are in. I think we're ready for a drive. Let's make sure that this is installed back into place. Ooh, yup, we are back in. Everything should be ready for a start. Gotta move the C7 out of the way. In the meantime, I gotta get air in the rear tire. Tire is aired up a little bit, just enough for me to make it down the road. Sweet. All right, come on, baby. Still kind of sounds like it's missing on a cylinder. Maybe got to reset the codes. So far, seems to drive okay. Cleared the codes and restarted the car. I can't really tell. That was short-lived. Had to come back. It was still misfiring, and it just really didn't sound good at all. Brought up the codes again, and it showed to still have a misfire in cylinder 5. Day today, a little bit in the evening. Corvette's in the garage. Looks like good news, but in reality, not so good news. Between last night and this evening, I was switching coil packs between the 540 and the Supra, because I know that with the 540, I just drove it too. The coil pack is fine on that. I took the spark plug out of this as well, threw it in that one, just in case if the spark plug was bad on this one too, and still no luck. After swapping around coil packs and spark plugs for like an hour straight, I was like, why not just check the PCV? From what I read, the easiest way to check to see if the PCV was still good is to pull the oil fill cap while the engine is running. And well, what I was expecting was a bad PCV. I come to have found out that it was actually a lot worse. Gotta shut off real quick. It's been running like that for a pretty long time now, so whatever damage is going to be done, it's already been done. It doesn't hurt to reduce any future damage. This engine is looking like it's going to be needing a rebuild. If it does, I would like to realistically do some forged pistons since the engine is going to be open anyway. And with high hopes, don't need to do any more work. I think it's time to close this video too. Not what I expected in an easy repair. I guess if it was easy, then they would have fixed it. But all is not lost. That means we get more content out of this thing. Check it out. Check it out. Neighbor's dog dogging around. Keep an eye out for the next one, guys.